Being vegan means being the change you want to see in the world. So share this song, be better. Be vegan from now on.
Hello everyone, this is Bella Vegan Dog. She heard me taking out her treats and she ran over here off the couch to see what is Mommy doing. Because I wanted to show you guys the kind of snacks that she has. You guys have been asking, and this is the type that she is eating at the moment. Now, I'm not sponsored by this company or anything like that. I just wanted to show you because some of you guys are interested.
No need to ask me why my dog is vegan. Instead, ask yourself why yours is not. No need to ask me why my dog is vegan. Instead, ask yourself why yours is not. Love animals, eat plants. Be brave, be kind, be loved. Be vegan. Be as vegan as possible, start today. Be as vegan as possible, start today. Be as vegan as possible, start today. You can do it. Hip, hip, hooray. Bella Vegan Dog, I really love you. I'll never eat your friends or anyone who goes poo. Bella Vegan Dog, I really love you. Yes, I really, really do. Ooh.
Now remember, this is not her regular everyday food. This is a treat that she has when we go for a walk and we want to give her a little treat for sitting politely, when you're crossing by another dog or waiting at a stop sign or whatever, you know, when you give your dog treats just for fun. Right, Bella? So this is called pumpkin pie and it is wheat-free. And let's read the ingredients together. Barley, pumpkin puree, oats, kelp, brewer's dried yeast, rosemary, cinnamon, apple cider vinegar, and may contain peanuts. So basically the main ingredients are barley, pumpkin puree, and oats. Yeah? You want one, eh, sweetie? Okay, all right, sit. Okay, I'll give you, now I just give Bella half a piece at a time because it is not her main diet and we don't want her to become overweight from eating too many treats.
Are you vegan yet? What are you waiting for? Are you vegan yet? Open the vegan door.
My goodness, our floor is just wearing out in that one spot where the chair gets rubbed all the time. And for some reason, this is always where I end up filming. What are we going to do, Bella? Should we renovate the whole house? Just for the videos? No. All right, let's look again here at what else is on here. All right, so it is 18 calories for a 5-gram biscuit. So I guess that's one of these. I actually feel like eating them myself. They smell good. Oh, the bag is compostable. And look, if the ingredients are barley, pumpkin puree, and oats, I mean, this is just right up my alley. And it actually smells really good. Smells like a dessert. All right, let's read what we got here. We bake our healthy, delicious treats in small batches using fresh, local, carefully sourced ingredients, handcrafted with love. All right. Another piece for Bella? Because you're waiting so politely and calmly, eh? Okay, there you go. For those of you who don't know, Bella has been vegan since August 2017, and she's doing great. Everything about her is absolutely normal. And the reason that we decided to make sure that Bella has only vegan food is because we don't want to pay for the murder of any other animals. So, you know, you got to learn to love your vegetables because they didn't have to die for you. And you got to love all animals, not just those that live in your house. And we have to protect all animals, not just those that happen to be in your family, but all animals. And so it's wrong to pay somebody to hurt other animals when you don't have to. Let's read what else it says, okay? You want to read the rest? Should we read the package together? Okay. This craft bag, liner included, is made entirely of plant-based materials that are 100% compostable. That's cool because in the front here it has this kind of, seems like a plasticky type thing. Well, that's good if that's recyclable. So go ahead and deposit the sustainable Canadian packaging in your nearest compost bin when empty. Woohoo! All right. So I had taken out a bunch of them already and put them in here just because it's easier to grab. So the bag is actually really full. So even though it seems like it's expensive, $27, the reality is that Bella is part of our family and we're never going to have to pay for college for her. And we're never going to have to get her braces. We're never going to have to sign her up for a hockey team or ballet classes. So when you get an animal companion and you're responsible for taking care of them, well, you got to do everything. And feeding your dog a healthy vegan diet is important.
Being vegan doesn't mean that you just do your best not to eat, wear, or use animals. Being vegan also means you bravely speak out to defend them.
I was going to read that. Was there some other part that I missed here? Oh yeah. So how much protein in here? 8% minimum. Crude fat 2%, crude fiber 3%, and moisture 10% maximum. Okay. All right, ingredients down here. Limited ingredients. Low calorie snack, dental snack, small batch. That's a small batch. Okay. All right, anyway, so you can see what they look like. And you can see that Bella likes them. And Bella has been very patient. I'll break another one of these. Whoop. So if you can see that Bella can be vegan, what stops you from being vegan? If Bella can be vegan, so can you. Absolutely. Why pay for murder if you don't have to?
Vegans don't steal from animals. They don't steal eggs, milk, or honey. Vegans don't steal from animals, 'cause animals are not commodities.
And if you need any kind of support, you can go to Facebook. There are so many vegan groups over on Facebook. You can ask questions. That's what I did when I first became vegan. I went to Facebook and I said, hey, I'm a new vegan. I don't know anybody or anything. Who wants to be my friend? And all kinds of people stepped up and it was really great. A lot of help. So thanks again for being here. And if you're curious about health of vegans, you can Google vegan athletes to make sure, if you don't believe us, that they can be healthy. But of course, we all know now the truth. That anybody can be vegan at any stage of development. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics has clearly stated it. And in fact, you're born vegan. You never wanted to hurt animals. So thanks for being here, and I'll see you all in the next video. Oh, coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Go ahead and subscribe to them if you want to, or have a look at them. And you can see all the different stuff that I've done in the past. And you can also press the notification bell if you want to help me get the animals out of hell. Thanks so much. Bye for now.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's